Now we'll see some problems. First one, evaluate integral of secant square x into cosecant square x dx. Let this given integral denoted by I. I is equal to integral of secant square x into cosecant square x dx. Secant square x can be written as 1 by cos square x and cosecant square x can be written as 1 by sin square x into dx. So 1 into 1, 1 by cos square x into sin square x dx. We know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 can be written as cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x into sin square x dx. By splitting, we can write cos square x by cos square x into sin square x plus sin square x by cos square x into sin square x dx. Here cos square x gets cancelled. Here sin square x gets cancelled. So 1 by sin square x plus 1 by cos square x dx. 1 by sin square x is equal to cosecant square x plus 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. Therefore, we get integral of cosecant square x plus secant square x into dx. We know that formula, integral of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x and integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Second one, evaluate integral of x square plus cos square x by 1 plus cos square x into cosecant square x dx. Let given integral is denoted by I. I is equal to x square plus cos square x is 1 minus sin square x by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x dx. By splitting, so 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus sin square x by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x dx. Here 1 plus x square gets cancelled. 1 minus sin square x by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x dx. By multiplying cosecant square x into 1, this cosecant square x minus sin square x into cosecant square x value is 1. So 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. We know the formula, integral of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x. So is minus. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse of x plus constant c. Now find the integral of sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x into dx. So let I is equal to integral of sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x dx. By splitting, so sin cube x can be written as sin square x into sin x by sin square x into cos square x plus cos cube x can be written as cos square x into cos x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Here sin square x gets cancelled and this cos square x written as 1 by cos x into sin x by cos x plus here cos square x gets cancelled. So 1 by sin square x can be written as 1 by sin x into cos x by sin x dx. So that's the integral of 1 by cos x is secant x and sin x by cos x is tan x plus 1 by sin x is cosecant x and cos x by sin x is cot x into dx. So we know a very fundamental formula, integral of secant x tan x is secant x and integral of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x plus constant c. Now we'll see somewhat little bit difficult problems. If integral of dx by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4, that's equal to a tan inverse of x by 2 plus b tan inverse of x plus c, find a plus b. Integral of dx by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. This is equal to, but first you note that, so x square plus 4 minus of x square plus 1, that's equal to x square gets cancelled, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Here we have 1 into dx. Here this value is equal to 3. So to get 1 here, we write 1 by 3 into 3. 3 means x square plus 4 minus of x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 dx. 1 by 3 into integral of, by splitting x square plus 4 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 minus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 into dx. Here x square plus 4 gets cancelled. Here x square plus 1, x square plus 1 gets cancelled. 1 by 3 into integral of 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 4, that is 2 square into dx. We know that integral of 1 by x square plus 1 dx is equal to tan inverse of x. And integral of dx by x square plus a square, that's equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus constant. Therefore 1 by 3 into integral of 1 by x square plus 1 dx is equal to tan inverse of x minus integral of dx by x square plus a square, that's tan inverse of 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So here a is equal to, that is 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x by a means 2 plus c. So 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 6 into tan inverse of x by 2 plus 1 by 3 into tan inverse of x, 1 by 3 into tan inverse of x plus c. Here tan inverse of x by 2 coefficient is a, but here minus 1 by 6. So a is equal to minus 1 by 6. And tan inverse of x coefficient is b. Here, so b is equal to 1 by 3 because tan inverse of x coefficient is 1 by 3. So a plus b is equal to minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. LCM is 6. That is, we get minus 1 plus 2 by 6. That's 1 by 6. Next problem. If integral of tan to the power of 4x dx is equal to ax plus b tan x plus c tan cube x plus d, find a plus b plus c. So integral of tan to the power of 4x dx is equal to integral of tan to the power of 4x can be written as tan square x into tan square x dx. So secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. Therefore, this is equal to integral of tan square x into secant square x minus 1 into dx. So splitting the integral of tan square x into secant square x dx minus integral of tan square x into 1 tan square x dx. Integral of tan square x into secant square x dx minus integral of tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1 into dx. So this is equal to integral of tan square x into secant square x dx minus integral of secant square x dx plus integral of 1 dx, because minus into minus plus. Let f of x is equal to tan x. F dash of x is equal to d by dx of tan, that is secant square x. Clearly it is of the form f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x dx, where f of x is tan x and n is equal to 2. F dash of x is secant square x. So applying this formula we get tan cube x by 3 minus integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus integral of 1 dx x plus constant, say that is d. So x minus tan x plus tan cube x plus d, tan cube x by 3 plus d. So x coefficient is a, here x coefficient is 1, so a is equal to 1, and tan x coefficient is b, here tan x coefficient is minus 1, so b is equal to minus 1. Here tan cube x coefficient is c, here tan cube x coefficient 1 by 3. So a plus b plus c is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 gets cancelled, that's equal to 1 by 3. So integration by substitution. Evolute integral of e to the power of ax plus b dx. First of all, let us assume ax plus b is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x, dt by dx is equal to a into 1 plus 0, that's equal to a. So dt is equal to a into dx and dx is equal to 1 by a dt. Therefore, integral of e to the power of ax plus b dx is equal to, so integral of e power t, and dx is 1 by a dt. So 1 by a into, we know that integral of e power x dx is e power x. Therefore, integral of e power t dt is e power t plus constant, that is c. So 1 by a into e to the power of, but t is equal to ax plus b. Hence we substitute ax plus b in place of t. So 1 by a e to the power of ax plus b plus c. Next, find the integral of sine of ax plus b dx. Let us take ax plus b is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x, so dt by dx is equal to a into d by dx of x 1 plus d by dx constant is 0. So we get dt by dx is equal to a, dx is 1 by a dt. So dx is 1 by a dt. Integral of sine of x plus b dx is equal to integral of sine t, and dx is 1 by a dt. We know that integral of sin x dx is minus cos x. And so using same formula, we get minus 1 by a into cos t plus constant c. So minus 1 by a into cos of, where t is ax plus b. So cos of ax plus b plus c. Similarly, you can find integral of cos of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a sin of ax plus b plus c. Writing this formula, just use the formula integral of cos x dx. So what is the formula of integral cos x dx? That is sin x plus c. Just to write the x coefficient in the denominator. So integral of cos of x plus b dx is equal to 1 by a sin of x plus b plus c. And so what is the formula of integral of secant square x dx? So that is tan x. Therefore use same formula, integral of secant square of x plus b dx. This is equal to, just write the x coefficient in denominator. So 1 by a into tan of x plus b plus c. Similarly, integral of cosecant square of x plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a cot of x plus b plus constant c. Integral of secant of x plus b into tan of x plus b dx, that's equal to 1 by a secant of x plus b plus c. Integral of cosecant of x plus b into cot of x plus b dx, that is minus 1 by a cosecant of x plus b plus c. Integral of 1 by x plus b dx, that's equal to 1 by a log of modulus of x plus b plus c. So all these considered as the standard formulae.